Good evening everybody, this side Khushi from Lexis and Company. In this video we will discuss about the deed of trust, which is if you understand the deed of trust you will understand the whole the concept, because the basic you can say the fundamental knowledge you should have about it. But the idea of allowing the someone else to possess something that is your is known as a trust to that average individual. यानी कि अगर मान लीजिए आपके पास कोई एसेट है, ओके, सो दैट इट विल बी कॉल योर ट्रस्ट. This is not the trust about the feeling, that is a trust about the assets. So understand this stuff. So however there are additionally means by which the settler transfer the assets to the other party for holding or use by the third party. A trust is an obligation attached to the ownership of a property and arising out of the confidence reposed in and accepted by the owner or declared and accepted by him. यानी कि एक तरीके से आप अगर अपनी प्रॉपर्टी किसी को ट्रांसफ़र कर रहे हैं, सो यू आर ट्रांसफरिंग द ट्रस्ट ऑफ दैट प्रॉपर्टी. सो इफ नाउ लाइक अगर इसको देखा जाए तो उसको किस तरीके से एंड लाइक जिसमें माना जाता है कि बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द अदर, एंड किस तरीके से होता है ये ऑथर ऑफ द ट्रस्ट होता है, ट्रस्टी होता है, बेनिफिशरी होता है, ट्रस्ट प्रॉपर्टी होती है, बेनिफिशियल इंटरेस्ट. सो दीज आर द टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रस्ट. बट काइंड ऑफ ट्रस्ट क्या होते हैं, लाइक कितने तरह के ट्रस्ट होते हैं. ट्रस्ट फॉर अ क्लोज्ड अप लाइक अ ग्रुप which is a group, a trust for a closed group. In other words, it is a possible to identify the recipient. इसमें कितने recipient, this is possible to identify. For instance, trust is established for the author's friend and family. But the public trust at large is targeted audience for the public trust. For like अगर हम example देखें तो which is charitable institution are run by non-profit organization. So the relationship between the trustee and settler, the beneficiaries, is mandatory after the trust has been established, whether private or public. A trust deed is thus drawn into codify the connection between parties and ensure that obligation and right are not adversely affected. So basically this is the kind of trust, basically the public trust and the group trust which we had discussed. So the importance caused of trust like cessation, termination of trustship. इसमें क्या होता है कि the circumstances under which the trustship between the chosen trustee and the trust will be expire are the specified in the clauses. So this is useful in the event that any trust member attempt to use the trust as a means of tax evasion or money laundering. So rules regarding the amendment, like इसमें क्या क्या rules and regulation है, amendment है. So this section will outline who has the authority to alter the trust rule and regulation, as well as the process for the doing so. And account and audit इसमें क्या होता है, इसमें होता है because keeping accurate books of account and having them audited by as a needed is a crucial for the trust or operate without interference from the government organization. So basically this is the you can say the causes of trust. अब इसमें अगर हम ये बात करें कि इसमें अपॉइंटमेंट एंड रिक्वायरमेंट कैसे होती है, सो इसमें कई तरीके से, जैसे कि आपका एक देखेंगे अपॉइंटमेंट एंड रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. इसमें ब्रिंगिंग लीगल एक्शन ऑन द ट्रस्ट बिहाफ होता है, एक्सेप्टिंग गिफ्ट्स एंड ऑल द डोनेशन, यानी कि आप एक ट्रस्ट के नाम पे आप क्या क्या चीज़ें कर सकते हैं बेसिकली, ठीक है. और पुटिंग कैश इनटू द ट्रस्ट हो सकता है, ओपनिंग बैंक अकाउंट एंड अदर अकाउंट फॉर द ट्रस्ट फाइनेंशियल एंड ऑपरेशनल नीड्स. So this is all about the trust. So in the next video we will discuss a good and new topic. Thanks for watching this video.